Hey everybody, it's Israel with Arcane Design. Today we are going to be discussing the latest design coming out of Arcane Designs, the Creature. This knife is going to be dropping on August 4th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And so before that, I want to give you a full in-depth view of the knife so you have a better understanding of what to expect. We're going to be going over specifications, different configurations that the knife's going to come in, and we'll answer all the questions that you might have on this design. So let's hit the bench. But before we do that, please consider hitting a like and subscribe on this video. It definitely helps the channel grow so that we can spread the news about Arcane Design to other people. All right, let's get it. Okay, let's first go through some specs. The Creature is a full-size tactical folder. The handles are made of 6AL4V titanium and the blade is in 20CV. As you can see right here, it comes in both a drop point version and an American Tanto with a compound grind. This design is definitely more angular but still has an organic feel to it. The blade length on this knife, both in the Tanto and drop point, is 3.75 inches and the overall length is 8.25 inches. We have a blade stock thickness of 0.16 inches and a handle thickness of about 1/2 inch. This knife comes with multiple deployment methods, both the flipper tab and the thumb studs. Really easy for reverse flicking. The knife has a frame lock construction, which is definitely good for hard use. And the pivot collars are also made of titanium. To give you some insight on the design, this design pays homage to one of my favorite horror films, one of the Universal classic monsters, the Creature from the Black Lagoon. As you can see right there, there's the Arcane Design logo emblem for the Creature. We wanted to do a couple of different design themes to the knife. So if you can take a look, the handles on the outside have been cut and chamfered to give a really cool, almost scale-like or gill-like look to the knife. And this happens on both sides of the knife. Definitely helps with weight reduction as well. We have a lot of really nice curves mixed with chamfers. It gives you a really comfortable overall feel, especially with that primary finger choil right there. Let's talk about different finish options. First, what we have right here is the full stonewashed version. It also comes with a beautiful black PVD pivot collar, and that matches the clip and back spacer. The next available option is going to be the all black look with these really beautiful silver orange peel titanium pivot collars. Again, it will come all black with the drop point version and the Tanto version. So let me kind of give you a look of what these will look like and feel like in hand. The all black Tanto is definitely a favorite of mine. Version I'm definitely going to keep for my own personal collection as well. Next up, we have a satin with a black handle variant. These come with the silver orange peeled pivot collars as well. The satin on this compound grind is so crisp, it's unreal. You definitely have to experience it firsthand. And you can see the logo a little bit better on this one right there. And then here's a look at the drop point version. Really nice clean lines with the satin black handled variant. Then we have the satin with a stonewashed gray handles and the black PVD collars. Again, the satin looks really crisp on these. And these are super comfortable in hand. And then here's a look at the satin with the gray handles on the drop point blade. And the last configuration for the 20CV blades is going to be this really cool two-tone blade finish with the black PVD handles and the silver pivot collars. It's a really, really cool mixture between the silver and the black. And this version only comes in the Tanto. So let's get a close-up of that blade. For this first drop, we're also going to be offering a full Damas steel version in both the gray and black handles. Let's get a close-up of that Damas steel pattern. There we go. Damas steel is kind of hard to show on camera, but I think we got it. And then here is the black handled Damas steel versions. These are really, really classy looking. Try to get a better close-up of that pattern. Like other Arcane design drops, we will also be offering Zurkutai kits. The Zurkutai kit comes with the pivot collars, the full Zurkutai clip, and a fully covered back spacer. Let's take a look what it looks like on the satin and stone-washed handles. If you're really wanting to add extra flair to your creature, this is definitely the way to do so. Other pivot collars will be available, including the classic Arcane design red. This red right here is kind of being washed out and brightened by the light. It's definitely darker in person, but I think it looks really, really good with this satin gray handle variant. We're also going to be offering Jade G10 pivot collars. Jade is definitely one of my favorite materials as far as looks, just because of that translucence. It definitely pays homage to the overall look of this knife, since the creature from the Black Lagoon is green. So here it is on a gray stone-washed handle. And then here we see it on a black handle and the two-tone blade. This variant is really, really awesome. And the last thing I want to show you is the absolute full dress version of the creatures. Here we have a Damas steel black drop point knife with the Zurkutai kit installed. It just looks unreal. And then here is the Tanto variant in a stone-washed handle with the Zurkutai kit. If you're wanting to go all out with this design, this is the way to do it. All right, welcome back. Again, the creature will be dropping this Friday, August 4th at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm so excited about this design, and I cannot wait to put this in the hands of people who feel the same way. Be sure to set a reminder, and we'll see you on arcanedesign.co this Friday. Have a good one.